My name is Chef Christine, and today we are making a cobbler. Today we're going to be using pears, but if you'd like, you could use peaches or something that is a little more in season. We're first going to add in our cinnamon, which adds a great flavor, some sugar, and some lemon juice. Now the lemon juice is basically so we don't oxidize our fruit, and of course it adds a little flavor. We're going to add this into our pot. We're going to turn our heat on to a medium-high heat. I'm going to allow that to simmer just slightly, and while that's simmering, we're going to add in some cold water into our cornstarch and make sure that dissolves. Once that's dissolved, we're going to add that in to our cobbler and bring that to a boil. We're going to stir and allow our pears to cook, and now we're going to make our topping. We're going to start with our flour, add in our sugar, our baking powder, and of course the salt. We'll blend that together and add our margarine. Make sure your margarine is nice and cold. You just want to make that a little crumbly. We're going to now add in our milk, nice and slowly, just to make sure that we have a nice smooth batter and there are no lumps. Looks like our pears are ready, so we want to spray our pan with a nice light coating, and that just makes it for a nice easy cleanup. And we're going to pour our pears right in to our casserole dish. While it's hot, we will be scooping with 2 spoons, just kind of make it a little easier since it is such a sticky batter to place onto our cobbler. We're all set. We're going to place this in our preheated oven. So our cobbler should be about ready. Let's check on it. And we got some beautiful bubbles going. And this is always best served warm.